New Zealand. What immense beauty. No, just joking. This is only 2 hours away from Brisbane. Today we start at Sugarloaf Bakery here in Boonah, cozy country town surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. It's got a rich farming history, traditional high street with friendly locals and a vibrant art community. In Boonah, you're never far away from nature's splendour. Enjoy stunning views of the scenic Rim Mountains and easy access to the majestic main range, Mount Barney and Mugger Peaks National Park. You can spend your days hiking all day long and then cool down in the lakes, enjoying water sports and a bit of fishing. Next up, we're taking a drive along Spring Creek Road. As we head up the range, we'll cross a few charming little creeks, but definitely keep an eye out for potholes and cows on the road. As we head up the windy roads up this range, we are reminded of the 2022 floods that destroyed this area, but after 2 years of repairs, the roads are finally open and ready for adventures. Here on the right hand side, we can see some major repairs done to the road that was washed away. Our first waterfall stop is Tiviot Falls, where water plunges 260 feet down. The view from the lookout is nothing short of spectacular. As we ride onto the range, we are mesmerized by nature's beauty. It's like you're whisked away and taken to a different world. Beautiful lush green plains, majestic tall trees covered in moss everywhere you look. Crystal clear streams peppered over the landscape just add to this magical place. The cattle here certainly have some views. On the way to Queen Mary's Falls, we come across Condamine Gorge. This runs between the head, bordered by Wilston Peak and Mount Superbus, and the town of Killarney, located in the southeast edge of the Darling Downs. It's a popular four-wheel drive trail as it crosses the Condamine River 14 times. Unfortunately, I have a motorbike, but if you have a four-wheel drive, the gorge drive's relatively easy and can be done as little as an hour. However, make sure the weather is good because this area can flood. Just 8 kilometres from Queen Mary's Falls, there's Carr's Lookout. This offers breathtaking views of Head Valley, Mount Superbus, the scenic Rim and Tambourine Mountain. Here you find stories of the past, like the plane crash on Mount Superbus in 1955. The falls area seems to be a range on top of a range, so once again we have to climb up some windy roads. But before long, we're here for a well-deserved stop at Queen Mary's Fall Caravan Park and Cafe. This is an excellent place to stop and have some good food, coffee, and feed the famous bird life. Just across the road, we have Queen Mary's Falls. There's a nice large picnic barbecue area with bathrooms. The actual walk to Queen Mary's Falls is fairly short at around 400 metres and mostly paved and okay for any fitness level. The waterfall itself drops 130 feet down to the bottom. You can actually continue the 2-kilometre walk all the way down to the bottom and up the other side back to the car park. Alright guys, here we are at Dags Falls, 125 feet coming down from the McPherson Range. Coming down to our last stop of the day, Browns Falls. Once again, this has a nice picnic area with barbecues along with bathrooms. The walk itself is around 1 kilometre return and firstly takes you through a tunnel underneath Spring Creek Road, which is pretty cool. I ran out of time today so I couldn't show you, but it is a very nice walk. If you're planning this ride, I would allow a whole day so you can experience everything. And just a note about Queen Mary's Falls Cafe, it is closed Wednesdays and Thursdays. If you like my content, please subscribe and I'll continue making more videos for you like this.